Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about a stock that is up a whopping 275% today and over 327% in the past 5 days, which is crazy. Just to put things in perspective, the average of the general stock market gets a return of 9.8%. So given that this stock is up 327%, that is about 30 years worth of investing in a single day, which is crazy. The stock went from all the way down here at about $2, hitting highs here at $9.35, selling off a little bit after hours back down to about $7 here and 90 cents. So kind of what is going on and should you buy this stock? So kind of what happened is you will notice this little E down in here. This E represents an earnings report. It's kind of hard to see, but there we go right here. This E right here represents an earnings report. So this is when a company comes out and they say, hey guys, this is all the numbers we did. So pretty much what happened is they reported a solid revenue earnings in $136.6 million, beating some expectations, solid growth. And the beauty of this is they announced this growth and they said, hey guys, the guidance for the end of 2022, we're expected to get stronger, which has caused people to buy up this stock. And the beauty of this is very, very similar to what we saw with AMC, with GameStop, where a lot of people previous to this was actually shorting this stock, right? If we look at it, this thing was a downward trend. The stock going from about $12 all the way down to $1.83. Now we had this huge pop up to, those $9 marks, but very, very similar to GameStop, AMC. All of these people in here were actually shorting the stock, expecting this stock to go down. And how that works is there is something called a short squeeze. Pretty much if the stock pops up a little bit, a lot of short sellers are actually going to cover their positions. But in order to cover a short, you actually have to buy those shares back. But when you buy a stock, it causes that price to go up. And that's kind of what we've seen is, some short sellers started covering their positions, which made the stock go up, which made it go up and up and up because everybody realized, oh my gosh, I'm going to lose my shirt if I continue to hold this. And we had a little bit of a short squeeze. And you guys will see just how massive this downward trend has been. So this initial move is beautiful. And I definitely think, right, this is going to be something that a lot of people are going to hop into and try to make some money. So I think that answering that question of should you buy, ticker symbol NVTA, I think this, right? I think it's a high risk, high reward play. I think if you're somebody that is just starting out with investing, I don't think this is going to be the play for you. I think there's going to be too much volatility for you. But on the flip side, if you're somebody that is willing to take a more riskier position, high risk, high reward, where you're okay with this stock going back down to $2, but you're hoping that this thing is just a start and it'll go from $8 all the way up to $30, then to $60, right? And you hope that that is just the start of it. Realistically, guys, you have to understand, definitely high risk, high reward. You're pretty much risking upwards of $8 to possibly make, the unknown, right? Because we haven't seen this pop ever in this stock. So I think that right now, uncharted waters for this stock. Personally, what I am doing, I'm not hopping in on this. And I know I could hop in, but the issue right now that I face is, okay, if that just say I hop in right now at $7.84, it's almost like the train has already left the station, right? I'm buying in when the stock is up 327% in a single day. Why would I do that? Personally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just keep an eye on it for a week and see if the trend continues, if we just get sell off, and kind of play it like that. I think that's a better approach than just going all in right now when the stock is, all the way up in here. I think the RSI, all the indicators stating it's overvalued, and that's kind of what I'm going to do. I'm just going to hold off and see where this thing takes me, guys. So, guys, that is it. That is kind of what's going on with this stock. A lot of people have been talking about it. I think, it's definitely more of a higher risk, high reward play. And the company's not profitable, right? They have a negative 147% profit margin, meaning for every $100 they bring in, they actually lose about $147. So understand that as well. This is not a long-term play, more of a short-term quick trade, trying to get rich quick, guys. That is it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.